come in between your sessions for 5 minutes, but that 5 minutes has become almost half an hour. But anyway, I just wanted to, since you guys love me so much, for some reason, unknown reason, I thought it is proper to satisfy that this thing desire that you have to see me one more time in the zoo. Right? So you are a pilgrim. Second time you have come here as a pilgrim, and also I guess I have to become once more the zoo animal, right? And I told you, right? Ex-ISI man means after associating with people like you, I have become a toothless tiger now. Tiger I am, but then toothless tiger, right? But anyway, actually nobody would believe this, right? I don't know, Professor Chaudhary is here.
He just gone outside.
He has gone outside. So Professor, it's not working. Louder.
Sure.
So Professor Chaudhary or others could not believe it. In fact, I was telling my wife that you guys love this me so much as a teacher or whatever you enjoyed. So she was not believing it. You are such a boring, good for nothing person. As it happens to us all, right? At home. Yeah, you are a respectable, someone at your job, but then at home you are a nobody. Every other sentence starts with you don't know. And again, ladies, I think I did this, before. So ladies, for them to something to laugh at, So basically they are thinking, how did I get stuck with this monkey on my back? How can I get rid of this monkey? Anyway, so I would have loved her to come and meet you, right? And just to hear or see this thing up front, not bluffing or anything. But then again, daughter's exam going on, so you can collectively find a way to show your appreciation for whatever I have done so far. Right, somehow, so that I can show her, look, I was not lying. So here actually, why do I say that? See, the way I do it with you guys, if we just teach you statistics, then you are not going to be able to digest that or love it.
Sleep also.
So I want to, so basically the idea is, just entertain you a little bit and through that teach you and keep you always on your toes. So anytime someone is called and then say, show your face.
Show your
whether
face.
you're poking your nose or cleaning your nose or something else, right? We don't know, but you are suddenly on air. So that fear and this thing, some people love that also, the attention. And I heard that's what you are missing, right? You are missing me a lot. So that was the idea. I spoiled you so much. You guys are missing me also. But anyway, so this is the truth actually. At PGP level, what we teach, there I cannot do this kind of jokes. You guys are mature, and so all the jokes I am cracking, I cannot do it there. And there is pressure of covering the syllabus. Okay. So we cannot be always entertaining them, and for them the job is guaranteed, so they don't want to learn. So they have already have been through this IIT exam preparation, then CAT preparation, and so they are the cat men and cat women of our campus.
Right.
So they after that they are just tired, tired fighters. They are soldiers there, so they just want to relax. So any course that requires their attention, right? And you have to practice at home and read stuff, understand. They do not like. So they like a course where just 2-3 nights before the exam you study a little bit and you get an A. Right? So our course does not guarantee that. Right? You guys don't care about grade. That's why you love me. And I also, we don't expect a lot from you because you are working. Right? You are working. In the sense that you have your boss at home, right? And your boss at
work,
and
yeah.
Talking about the male guys, but then females also, they have a lot of responsibilities already. And if we burden you with another thing, too much expectations from our side, you will not enjoy. So basically you want to learn something, right, along the way. That's what you want to do. So basically it's through different equations, for whatever reason, PGP guys, they do not love it, it's the opposite with them. Right? So you may be surprised a little bit. So that's what I was saying. You know, if you tell this to a director or this program director or directors, they may not fully appreciate whatever you are saying. They say, probably you are not telling that. But if you, as I said, even my wife also, you see, she does not believe that. But anyway, so last time actually the last batch, they again called me like this, and I had to come like this, and they gave me a little something, right, as a piece of their appreciation. So that thing I showed to my wife. See, they love me. All right. But anyway, so whatever, you find a way of saying that, and so that people know what you feel. All right. That will be nice.
Tell me your house number, we all will come there.
Yeah, but then again I may get killed, no? Yeah, someday probably will do it. But now this time, as I said, I'm honest, tomorrow is the exam, so I'm required at home with my daughter. So I was doing some mathematical problems, come here and do again, and I go back. You guys know the feeling. Alright, so I guess I wish you all the best. Right? Keep in touch, whether you like me or hate me, you are part of the family, kind of like your parents-children relationship. So you will be, no matter what, you will be always a child or always a part of the alumni family. And whether I like you or not, I am also here. And whether you like me or not, you are there. So let us enjoy this relationship. Not that there is any hatred, but I'm saying just no matter what, feel free, right? So I think my number is with you. I'm the only one, I guess, who gives the numbers so generously, right? Because I'm not afraid. If you know how to deal with the Home Minister,
Toothless tiger.
you know how to deal with mayor students of a program, right? So, no, I will jokes apart. Someone was asking, how do you keep so cool? So I cool if you do the battle at home and keep your cool, then you can do it anytime, anywhere. Right? Then he said, no sir, you are not just telling me the secret. I said, no, there is no secret. Okay? Am I looking cool? I thought I was hot. Someone said, how do you keep so cool? I thought I was a hot star or something. Anyway, again, we will be in touch, right? So again, I told you how you reach me, you can call me. If you call me, you won't get me. So then, just couple of times, if it does not work, just send me an SMS saying this is the SMS batch, and my name is this. I would like to talk to you. I'll try to get back to you as early as possible. And usually I do. You can check with your friends like Umesh. Where is Umesh? Yeah, he is there. I have been in odd places and he was calling me. But he is forgiven, right? He is trying to learn whatever the professor was doing. Anyway, so jokes apart, right? So please keep in touch, and wish you all the best. And I hope you learned something, right? You learned something from my course and also from the program. It's I think a long way to go, right? And that's it, I guess. Best wishes from my side, always.
Send them the WhatsApp the video.
It's a 7-minute video, I can't. I'll upload on YouTube.
Yeah, on YouTube I'll send the link.
One question, sir.
Yeah. No, we have to go. He is here. Yeah.
Apart from QM, can you take one more class?
That's up to them. No, don't say. Are you taking anything?